Want to get free Roblox items? Roblox regularly offers free avatar items and accessories that you can claim without spending Robux. In this guide, I'll show you safe and legitimate ways to find and claim free Roblox items in 2026 while avoiding scams. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Roblox account using the official Roblox website or app. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to browse the marketplace for free items. Next, open the marketplace from the navigation menu. This is where you can browse avatar items such as clothing, accessories, animations, emotes, and character bundles. Now use the available filters to display only free items. Browse through the results and open any item that interests you. Check the item's details to confirm that its price is listed as free before claiming it. When you find an item you like, open its page and choose the option to add or get the item if it's available. Once it's added to your account, it will appear in your inventory and can be equipped from the avatar section. Finally, keep an eye on official Roblox events and promotions, as they sometimes include limited-time free items. You know, it's best to avoid websites or videos that promise free Robux or ask for your password, since those are often scams, and that's how to get free Roblox items. By using the official marketplace and participating in Roblox events, you can safely grow your avatar collection without spending Robux. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.